So, sir, I wanted to ask you, what does surpassing barriers mean to you personally?
I really wanted someone to ask me this because when I kept the name of this institute, तो वो टाइम पे for many people it's a big surprise and many only close people who are with me they know कि I selected the tagline before I selected the name.
Right.
In fact, we don't have a specific name as such till
Right.
now. But ये tagline जो है surpassing barrier, this is something that has been very close to me. आपने जो पूछा देव मुझे surpassing barrier, what does this mean और surpassing barrier का mindset क्या होता है? See, let me tell you one example. 2023, I was in Chicago once. I was in US, and there I was at the Global Leadership Summit. So there I happened to meet a very dynamic person, Mr. Erwin McManus.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने एक सेशन शेयर किया था, तो वो सेशन में we were discussing with each other, and he explained one very nice thing to all of us, and he told, see, a man is not created for failure.
Right.
You know, right from birth we have the survival instinct.
Correct.
Right from birth we are fighters, we are survivors, we have been through many things. So all the limitations that we think that we have are somewhere within our thoughts. So we need to cross that barrier, we need to cross that limitation. So the barriers are never the one which are actually there. The barriers are one which are we only have created and we have put them inside. Yeah, I cannot do that, I cannot do this, I cannot do this. But you know, life exists once you cross that barrier. मैंने कहीं एक पेंसिल्वेनिया यूनिवर्सिटी ने कोई एक सर्वे किया था, तो वो सर्वे में आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज टू नो अराउंड 90 to 92% ऑफ पीपल कहीं ना कहीं अपने लाइफ में कंप्लीटली दे आर विद इन देयर कंफर्ट जोन, वहां से पुश करके बाहर निकलते ही नहीं है. एंड आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन वन थिंग, यू नो, मीडियोक्रिटी लाइज इन द कंफर्ट जोन, excellence lies in the extremes. So, but when you have to push yourself from the mediocrity and you need to enter into that realm of being excellent, you need to surpass that limit. You need to surpass that barriers. So for me, always, you know, whenever I am talking with my team, whenever I'm talking with my students, whenever I'm in a conference, the first and the foremost thing that I tell is have a very positive mindset. And that positive mindset includes in crossing the limits, crossing the barriers. You know, Columbus would never have been able to discover America if we would not have surpassed that barrier. I'll cross the horizon of the Atlantic Ocean and I'll go there. You know, Bell would never have been able to invent a telephone if वो surpassing barrier उसने नहीं किया होता. So this is what I always believe in. We are born incomplete, but the journey of life is to complete that incompleteness into being complete. और उसमें सबसे major factor जो हमें matter करता है, that is to cross the limit. So this is known as the surpassing barrier mindset.